This is Tecno Camon 18P, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can turn on the mobile data saver feature on this device. So first of all, you need to launch settings, then enter the SIM and network settings category. Onwards, go for the data settings and data usage. Grant all the permissions that it asks for. So actually the only permissions the phone master is asking us to grant that is permit usage, so, or phone access. So in here, as you can see, we'll have the data saver field, and at the following data saver page, just turn on the use data saver switch. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.